What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing a trail day. I'm here with the boys. I got Anthony and Giraffe with me, and we're going to be going up to Santiago Peaks. We're going to be going up through the Silverado Canyon route. It's a short trail, mainly like a fire road, but you know, we're just here to check it out. It's currently 6 a.m. so hopefully we can catch sunrise. That was the point, but I think it's going to be pretty foggy, so maybe not, but we'll see. What's up, Mr. J?
What's up? Early as fuck.
Look how blue it is. Can barely focus. We're just at the trailhead right now. Got some hikers back there that are going to be going up too. All done here?
Sir.
Cool, thank you. But yeah, we'll see you in a bit. You can't see me. It's sprinkling right now and it's a little foggy, but it looks really cool. It feels like we're in like Jurassic World or something. It looks pretty crazy, like out here. For now, it's gonna be like a mile or so of just like paved road, but we're getting there. So pretty much we're at like the playground area, I guess you can call it, where there's like a bunch of obstacles, like, you know, these like ruts and whatever. It goes all throughout here, but we're gonna go ahead and just, you know, have some fun while we can out here. Do some three-wheeling in the Cayennes.
Sir.
But so far it's been pretty nice out here. Honestly, like, it looks so cool with all the fog and everything.
Right here, look to your left. You're gonna hit this one.
You want me to go down?
A little jiggle, huh? And sick ass Tacoma with the TEs.
Look right here.
You good?
Yeah. So on the way up and down, there's gonna be a pathway that's very hella bumpy.
Roll out the window.
Bugs, bro.
Roll out What is that, a fly?
That's flies.
That's just a fly?
Oh, well.
Well, that was fun. So now we're gonna go and head up to the peak. We kind of had too much fun here and we were just spending a lot of time here. There's nothing crazy, but we're gonna take what we get and we're gonna go ahead and go up the peak now. I mean, it's still pretty foggy, but hopefully when we get up there, kind of clears up or something. Or maybe we get on top of the fog. I don't think we could. Is that even possible? I don't know. We'll find out. There you go. You did it. Drad's going again. All right.
I like it.
Off-roading's one thing, but damn, going up this and on a bike, insane. This dude's killing it right now. All right, so we finally made it to the top peak. You guys got to see this. Looks insane. So this is your reward for doing Santiago Peak Trail. Obviously, we went up through Silverado Canyon and made our way through this area. It's very nice.
We'll be doing Lake Elsinore because there's many areas or many ways to get up this mountain to this exact peak. So we'll definitely hit the Lake Elsinore route. It's really nice.
So pretty much what the deal is, going back down is the same way that we came up. There's no like alternate route. It's pretty much one way. Oh, the fog's coming in right now.
No, I think it's my car. Just kidding.
Hey, your car's smoking in.
You get a nice breeze too.
Yeah.
Shit, it really is coming, buddy.
The fog is, oh damn, the fog's coming heavy.
You can't even see the clouds anymore.
I know. But pretty much to get out of here, you go the same way that you came up. So I'm probably not going to record all that just because it's the same thing. But if you are in the area, definitely check this out. I live nearby and we're finally coming out here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to just go ahead and take a few pics up here and call it a day. It was pretty quick, to be honest. Like if you want a short trail to do and just to get it done and be out by noonish, easy. It's only, what time is it?
It's 10.
It's like 9:30, 9:20. 9:20 and we got here like what? 6? 5:30?
It's gonna be quick.
Yeah, if you don't make any stops and you come straight to the top, yeah, you'll make it here pretty quick.
30.
It's probably like maybe like not even an hour. For sure, like shorter than an hour if you just go straight up. But you know, we kind of just made our stops.
But you can't come here and not hit the obstacle course. Right?
You can do it on the way up or on the way down, either or. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye. Like and subscribe, baby.